Menteri Ramba Kajala Conrad ke sangma hak arpuwai terik yayong ula pelait paitba ya CM Inspire Scheme na kebentaban kyrshan ya ke samla badan kajing angnun kenang ban penklan ya kajing mi kemat jong ke samla Kajala hak eksam civil service. Ki samla ba iet Kajala ki badan ya kajing angnun menta kasngi kalong umau jam bakong san na kebentaban kyrshan ban penurlong ya kajing posni ki samla jongi. Mentala bonsnam kajing mi kemat ki samla try jala haki eksam Union Public Service Commission UPSC keladuna palat bat kumta kanika skim batmai kanyarap banyale persya halur kanika jingduna ong Conrad haba penbena ya kanika senjam. Hapo kanika skim ki samla ki bala pendap ya ka UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination kinyop diang ya ka jingarap pisa kebasan pawajar tingka kat bagitu ki banyale ya ka main examination kinyop diang silak tingka. Kanika senjam katmu ban penduna ya ka jing hakaliang ka jingdon kam pisa na kabenta gini ki samla ki badan ka jing angnut kata da ka bapenti kinaru bagitu ki samla ki badai hok ru kinyop diang ya ka ju kalan kakabu ha ka jaka ban randir no namal ka jing hakaliang ka pisa tingka ong Conrad. Ka sorkar ka yang scam ringkat bat pi hakani ka jing lenti benrap Conrad haba kendui ki samla ki badan ni ka jing angnut bakindan ka jingai ki ba scam halade bat ban ko jingmut scam hakathong ka jongki. Ki samla ki babin ki la ban apply ya ka scheme ting ba ka portal jong Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute mati hadien balakhat yak application.
My dear young aspirants of Meghalaya, today marks an important step in supporting the dreams of our youth. For many years, our representation in the civil services has declined, and Meghalaya has not seen an indigenous candidate enter the IAS since 2013. Today, we take a decisive step to change that with the launch of CM Inspire. Through this scheme, candidates who clear the prelims will receive 50,000 rupees and those who clear the mains will receive 1 lakh rupees, helping reduce the financial burden of preparation. This initiative is designed to empower meritorious candidates and encourage our youth to aim higher and serve the nation with dedication and pride. I encourage all eligible aspirants to apply through the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute portal when applications open. To our young aspirants, believe in yourself. Stay committed to your goals and know that the government stands firmly with you on this journey. Pyllait,